In today's video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to delete a repository on GitHub. This is useful when you want to clean up old projects, organize your account, or remove repositories you no longer need. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on your profile. This will take you to your profile page, where you can see your activity, contributions, and repositories. Next, find and click the Repositories tab. This will show you a full list of all the repositories in your account. Now, scroll or search for the repository you want to delete, and click on its name to open it. Once you're inside the repository, look at the top menu and click on Settings. This will open the repository settings page where you can manage all configurations. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. There you will find the Delete this repository option. Be careful here, this action is permanent and cannot be undone. When you click Delete, GitHub will ask you to confirm your decision. You may need to type the repository name to verify that you really want to remove it. This is to prevent accidental deletion. Once confirmed, your repository will be permanently deleted from GitHub. And that's it. Your workspace is now cleaner and more organized, making it easier to focus on your active projects. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more easy GitHub tips and tutorials.